to add another fact or idea, also as well too. She also enjoys painting in her free time. He plays the piano and he also sings, to indicate a similar action or condition. Also, likewise, similarly, the new system is also more efficient. They also enjoyed the concert. To express emphasis or inclusion. Also, even she is also the top student in her class. He was also recognized for his contributions. To introduce an additional point or example. Also, furthermore, moreover. I love to travel. Also, I enjoy exploring new cultures. The company is expanding. Also, they're launching new products. Common collocations with also. Also available, also included, also known as, also important. The package includes breakfast and is also available with dinner. The software is also included in the latest update. She is also known as the queen of the fashion industry. Environmental factors are also important to consider.